Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can export data using reports in Salesforce. If you want to download data in Excel, share insights with your team, analyze record outside Salesforce, then this tutorial is exactly for you need. So without wasting your time, let's get started. By the end of this video, you will know how to create or open a report, how to export data step by step, difference between formatted versus details only export. So these all things I covered in this video. First, we need one requirement. Currently, I have so many objects in my navigation menu. I have a lead object. So in this lead object, I have so many records. So I need to export this all lead object records. So how to export? First, we need to click on reports. Currently, I have a report. If you don't find the reports in your navigation menu, just click on 9.app launcher. In here, search reports. So open reports. Go to all reports. You can see number of reports in here. So I need to export the lead reports, right? So for that, I just open the new lead reports. So currently I open my leads report. So if you don't have a report, you need to create new report. In previous video, we discussing about how we can create reports. So then how we can export this data. So just in here, we have one option like drop down. We have one drop down like this. So in here, you just need to click on export. Once you click on export, we have two types of export. One is formatted report, one is detail only. Then what is the formatted report? Formatted report means in your report, you have a grouping or subtotals or layout. It will keep all the things as it is. Best for presenting and sharing. So details only means it has a raw data without grouping. Best for example for analysis. You need to analyze the data. You can go with details only. So you need to select the at least one type. So currently I will go with details only. In here we have a different types of formats. In here also we have a different types of encoding thing. So currently I will go with Excel and General Western Europe. So click on export. So once you click on that, automatically that report will be downloaded to your local system. Now you can see I have all the records. All 26 records I have. So this is how we can export the data by using reports. Most of the common things you need to avoid in exporting without running the report, choosing the formatted report for data analysis, not applying filter, forgetting including required field. Real-time example are open opportunity reports, choose the closed one, add columns, name, amount, closed date, run the report, export the daily data. Now you have a clean data set ready for analysis. That is for today. Now you know exactly how to export data using report in Salesforce. So I hope you understand these things. Thank you for watching.